What if an asteroid crashed into the moon? Astronomers gaze through powerful telescopes as they discover a massive asteroid racing toward the moon. A colossal rock drifts through the endless dark of space on a direct path to the moon. From Earth, the moon glows silently as the asteroid draws closer with unstoppable speed. The giant asteroid looms larger, ready to strike its target without resistance. In a flash of destruction, the asteroid smashes into the moon, unleashing pure energy. A fiery explosion erupts on the lunar surface, glowing bright enough to be seen from Earth. A vast new crater is carved deep into the moon's surface, forever altering its face. Tremendous plumes of dust and shattered rock burst into the void of space. Rivers of molten rock flow across the broken surface of the moon, glowing red-hot. Shards of lunar debris drift into orbit, forming a shimmering ring around the moon. Smaller fragments speed toward Earth, lighting up the sky in dazzling meteor showers. The nights on Earth grow brighter as scattered lunar dust reflects sunlight back to the planet. Families gather outside, staring in awe at the strangely glowing moon in the night sky. In labs, scientists warn of tidal shifts as the moon's orbit begins to change. Powerful waves crash violently against coastal cities, shaking the foundations of human life. Entire towns near the shore find themselves underwater as extreme tides rise and fall. Marine creatures struggle as their ancient cycles tied to the tides are thrown into chaos. From space, Earth begins to wobble slightly, its balance disturbed by the moon's new path. Across the world, people look to the scarred moon with fear and wonder. Artists reimagine ancient myths, painting the wounded moon as a symbol of destiny. Telescopes capture the vast new crater, revealing the raw power of the cosmic collision. Scientists study lunar fragments, unlocking secrets about the moon's deep interior. Engineers design advanced defense systems determined to protect Earth from future impacts. World leaders gather at a global summit, vowing to unite against cosmic threats. A new generation of space missions prepares to intercept dangerous asteroids before they strike. And every night, humanity looks up at the moon, scarred forever, a reminder of the power of the universe.